Oh! Today we are dethroning some skincare favorites because they have been replaced. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, subscription unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and more, start right now by clicking subscribe for new videos weekly. I saw Samantha March do a dethroning of some of her makeup favorites and I was like, I'm gonna do a skincare favorites. And I do want to do a makeup one as well, but I'm finding myself trying out more skincare recently. I wonder if these products will still be on top this time around next year. So if you're interested in seeing what has been dethroned, just keep on watching. Exfoliator has definitely been dethroned. First I used religiously the Ole Henriksen Walnut Scrub, and then the Lancer, the Method Polish Exfoliator, dethroned that, and now Lancer has now been dethroned to Lush's Let the Good Times Roll. I love this exfoliator so much. It is so soft. It is like one of the most refined exfoliators I have used, and I thought Lancer's was really refined because it wasn't as hard as the Ole Henriksen's Walnut Scrub, but man, Lush's Let the Good Times Roll, I will just keep repurchasing and repurchasing and repurchasing because it is so good. I have been using it for a while now. I find myself reaching for this more than my Lancer, which is in a project pan, as well as my Ole Henriksen Walnut Scrub because there's like a little bit left too, so I'm trying to use that up. But I keep gravitating towards this because I just love how it feels. I do have a product in mind that could potentially dethrone this one next year, but it's still really hard to really pass this up. And you can use this on your face and your body. I like to use, what is it called? Rub Rub by Lush for like a body exfoliator. So this one is definitely my face exfoliator. Definitely just trying to use this up because it is expensive. I did buy it during a Sephora weekly wow, and I just don't want half of it to go to waste. But it's good. It has definitely treated me well. Cleansers is actually really hard for me to dethrone. I haven't really used my Philosophy Purity Cleanser in a hot minute now just because I don't have a bottle of it. So in place of it, I started using the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel, which I really enjoy. This cleansing gel, when I first did my morning skincare routine, I put this as one of my cleansers, and so I definitely get a lot of good use out of it. It's just I'm not reaching for it as much lately. It's been the Glam Glow Cleanser, or it's been my Ole Henriksen Balancing Cleanser. But the one that has really been having my attention, because I've already gone through a bottle of it and I'm on my second bottle now, is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Cleanser. I love this cleanser so much. I love how it cleanses my face. I love how smooth it makes it, and I know it has that little mark as well because I am going to try to use this up because my Glam Glow is a bigger size. I just want to make sure that this is all used up before I do just focus on the Glam Glow. I definitely would repurchase this over and over and over again. It's just I have a lot of cleansers right now. This still has a fair amount in it, so I'll probably start rotating that between the Glam Glow. It's just kind of been sitting on my bathroom collecting dust. There is some dust on this cap. And I feel bad because Dermalogica is expensive. Just hasn't been cutting it for me. Toner is actually like really depressing. And I feel so bad because it is a nice toner. I love this toner so much. It's the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner. This is a brand new bottle. I haven't even used it yet. And I know that sounds really bad because it is a more pricier toner. It has a spray applicator. It has a great spray radius. I feel like the right amount of product is dispensed. And the apricot is very soothing. I find it very comparable to like my rose toners, which is actually what dethroned it. So I'm just not reaching for it as much as I was. I was like really into it when I first started using it, and I'm pretty sure this was also in the same video where I featured the Dermalogica, so a lot does change over a few months. I'll probably give this to my mom, or I actually might just try to use it because I am running low of what dethroned it, just because I don't want it to go to waste. It's a nice bottle and I really enjoy Elemis, but I will have to give it to the Maman Rose Toner that I did try during the last 21 Days of Beauty when it went on sale, and I have just been reaching for this ever since. I'm almost halfway through because I only use it at night because I like to use my Ole Henriksen Balancing Toner in the morning. I like that because it helps prevent my face secreting too much oil throughout the day, but rose is nice and calming at night because I do exfoliate, and if I'm wearing makeup like I am now, I am removing makeup, so my face is just going to be a little irritated just from all like the rubbing and tugging on it. Definitely could find myself using this morning and night, and actually I have when I set aside my products for Project Pan, so this did get a little bit of love in the morning. It went on sale again during 21 Days of Beauty. I didn't buy it just because I am still trying to finish through this bottle, the Ole Henriksen, and I definitely want to use this one because I don't want it to go to waste. My face does like to get irritated with some scents, and luckily rose hasn't been one. So the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm is a cult fave. This is one I've definitely have made a dent in, and I definitely want to use this one up. It's just something about this LMS Pro Collagen one that I just love so much. My mom was the one that introduced me to this product, and I've been hooked ever since. It really just cleanses the face super nice. It breaks down the makeup super nice. I don't always have to wear makeup to use this. Sometimes I'd rather just use this as a cleanser just because I like how it feels, and a little bit goes a long way. That is a way of conserving this because it is expensive. I had actually lost this Clinique one. It was with the Dermalogica and LMS. I still love all these products that have been dethroned. It's just these newer products have come along, and that's just what I'm grabbing towards. Same for this moisturizer. It's actually very sad because I really hate that this is on here, but it is what it is, and it is the Itachi water cream. I was obsessed when this first launched because I have gone through jars of it, and I'm actually struggling to get through the rest of this jar because this Belief Aqua Balm, I'm telling you, the formula in the Aqua Balm has just been working out so much better for my skin. My face just feels more refreshed and hydrated with it. My face just retains and absorbs this moisturizer just a little bit better, and it's also cheaper than the water cream. I just remember trying this in Sephora. I was like, holy crap, I need a jar of it now. So when it was the last Sephora sale in the spring, I bought the set online that had the cream, the eye balm as well, and I also picked up a little size of the jelly cleanser. So I was like really interested in trying more of their brand. Belief has just been working out super nice for me. When I take the skincare quiz on Sephora, when I put in combination, this one comes up. It's meant to be is what I'm gathering. The sleep masks is also a very sad one that's being dethroned because I rave about this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask. It has been my favorite sleep mask of all time. It's been the first one that I have tried, and this is my second jar of it. Doesn't even look like I made a dent. My mom's like the culprit of all the skincare obsession. LMS, Itachi, and this product, which is also LMS. This is the Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. I don't really need plumping, but man, smoothness. I thought this Glow Recipe made you smooth. Oh, honey. This is so much smoother. Just like the Glow Recipe, it barely needs a little bit. Like, I feel like I overdid it the first time, and I'm like, oh, that could have been 2 nights. But it's okay. Now I know. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've definitely seen myself wanting to use this in the Glow Recipe, and I never thought that would be the case, but here we are. Times are changing. I'm just a little bit more intrigued now about sleep masks because Laneige has one. There's an avocado one by Glow Recipe. I think Kate Somerville has one too. They are on the rise, and It's Amanda is here for it. I've just been so lazy with masks. I will be the first to admit that it is laziness. I've been wanting to try to like cut some corners in my skincare routine, but I don't want to do that to my face. But I feel like I can get away with it with the sleep mask than doing an actual mask. I saved some time. That's all I'm gaining out of it. I don't have a Luna oil to show, so I figured I was like, let me just throw it back to the first oil I have ever used in a skincare routine, and it is the Tarte Pure Maracuja oil. I started using this when Josie Maran's Argan Oil was like huge hit, and I couldn't use the Argan Oil because it made my face too greasy. It actually broke me out, so I was really happy to see that Tarte had one. This used to be on sale for every 21 Days of Beauty, and I would buy this little jar every 21 Days of Beauty. This is the last jar that I have purchased, and I just have not been reaching for it. Since then, I've tried the Luna Oil by Sunday Riley, which is definitely one of my favorites. I used up the jar this past fall and winter, so I don't have it. But I have been using the Pharmacy Holy Grail, and this is my second one. I've been able to use it in spring and summer without it over greasing my face, so it's very versatile for all seasons. Didn't realize I would like this as much as I would. I don't find it that heavy, which is very interesting because honey can be pretty thick. It's a thick girl. So it was very interesting to me when I did apply it to my face. So I have have been loving this. Definitely been reaching for this more because like I said, it's my second bottle and we still have a decent amount in this little jar, which I don't want it to go to waste, but it just might because I'm just not reaching for it. It might be getting bad at this point. But let's just keep pushing that shelf life, shall we? This video is making me so sad because I'm like, I love all these products. It's just these other ones have just come along and stole my heart. I wonder what's gonna steal my heart next year. Has this ever happened to you? Have you loved a product so much that you thought would never get replaced and then like another product came along and you're like, damn. And you just drop that other product like a hot pocket? Because here we are. And I'm feeling extra guilty about the Tatcha water cream as well as the Elemis toner because when I first tried these two products, like that's all I wanted to use and they have been replaced. Now I understand why Woody was so afraid of being replaced by Buzz Lightyear. These older products were Woody and here's Buzz Lightyear wrecking it up right now. If it was wrecking it up, I guess it'd be Wreck-It Ralph. Definitely let me know if you use any of these products, if you have dethroned any of your products, if you use any of the brands that I mentioned in this video, what are some of your favorite products by them. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and I'll see you in the next video.